everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things to do with my kids when they were little, which is called a number salad. So everybody that's watching this has had some experience in the classroom with food preparation, crackers and cream cheese, bananas, the orange work. So this is very similar. First, we have to prepare some of our fruit for our number salad. So I have fresh strawberries, I have blueberries, I have a clementine, and I have a banana, and I have my bowl that I'll be putting my number salad in. So the first thing we want to do is cut the top of the strawberry off. I have a small cutting board and just a regular butter knife, not too sharp. Basically, I forgot to take that out, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so I have some strawberries. Next, I have washed all of my strawberries and my blueberries. I'm just gonna, no food prep with the blueberries. The next thing I'm going to do is peel and segment my clementine. Because clementines are so easy to peel, parents, you can probably just start it and your children can peel the rest. If there's an older sibling, they can help out with that. If your child is the older sibling, they can do this for their younger brother or sister. That would be great too. So peel it apart, put my segments in the dish. If this was like really magical on TV, someone would come swooping in with the already prepared food. Some kids really like to work on peeling every little bit of the pith off. For the sake of time, I won't be going that crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna scoop my excess to the other side of my blueberry container. All right, banana. Every child that has been at Wheaton Montessori School knows how to peel a banana and slice it for the banana work. It is one of the more popular materials in the classroom. Again, just the butter knife. Slice that up. Your children may want to just slice one piece at a time and put it in the bowl like that. Most of them aren't even going to attempt the bruised part. Now we assemble our number salad. I have a beautiful bowl. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits. I'm going to take 1 strawberry and 2 blueberries. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3 slices of clementine. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of banana, and then I just repeat it. 1 strawberry, 1, 2 blueberries, 1, 2, 3 clementines, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of banana. Now I have a lovely fruit salad that I made myself, and I can serve it to someone else in the family, or I can serve it and eat it myself. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a number salad. Enjoy.